What if never again would you have to buy this, any of this? Definitely none of this. So this is the Safe Haven 5 starter set. It's the starter set that I started my Norwex journey with, what I started detoxing my home with. It is the easiest entry point to ditching harmful ingredients in the home. I can clean 80% of my home with the things in this box. The first item in the Safe Haven 5 is the amazing EnviroCloth. This is actually the cloth that Norwex started their business with 32 years ago. The cloth is special for 3 reasons. Number one, it's a super dense cloth, really thick. It has 10 million feet of fabric. The fibers are super small. They're star-shaped, and so they act like little suction cups on our surfaces. So I can just clean my surface with this damp with water alone, and it will pick up grease, grime, and 99% of bacteria. And it has silver in it. Silver is a natural antibacterial, a natural antimicrobial. So once the bacteria is in the cloth, the silver destroys it. EnviroCloth has a best friend. So you use the EnviroCloth wet with water, and the window cloth, you use this one dry. This is your polishing cloth. Think Bert and Ernie, peanut butter, jelly. Use these together whenever you're cleaning a shiny surface. So that means granite, windows, stainless steel, like all the things in your home that has a shiny or reflective surface. These two are gonna give you a clean, streak-free shine every single time. The third item in the Safe Haven 5 is the dusting mitt. You put it on your hand, give it a little rub, and go to town and start dusting all of your surfaces. You can actually use this dry or damp. It's great on wood blinds. It is great on screens. You don't even have to take your screens out to clean them. This is just easy to use. And if you want to wear 2 of them, 1 on each hand, you'll be a dusting ninja. The next item in the Safe Haven 5 is the Power Cleaning Paste. This has replaced all the bleach, all the scouring type products I used to clean like the soap scum with, and bathtubs, tile, grout, black marks on the wall, crayon from the grandkids on my cabinets. It has 4 main ingredients: marble flour, coconut oil, natural soap, and baking soda. This is dry on purpose, so we don't use so much. 1 container will give you 3 to 5 years of use. You just simply swipe a damp EnviroCloth or even a sponge in this and go to town, and it works magic. So far we have the EnviroCloth, the window cloth, best friends, the dusting mitt, and the cleaning paste. The 5th, and maybe even most impactful in the Safe Haven 5, is the laundry detergent. You can pick from your choice of laundry detergents in the Safe Haven. I do recommend the PowerZyme laundry detergent. It's enzyme-based. Enzymes are found in nature. Think of enzymes like little scissors that cut through the odor-causing molecules, stains embedded in the fibers. It cuts through and lifts them up so it more easily washes away. The laundry detergent is EWG verified, which that means it's been independently third-party tested. It has safe ingredients, 0 fillers. You only use a little bit. It lasts for a really long time. Safe ingredients, effective ingredients. You'll notice a difference immediately on your clothes, on your towels, your sheets. Everything will feel lighter, fluffier, and just so much better. Safe Haven 5, you can pick any of the 4 laundry detergents, but I definitely recommend this one.